Are you making the most of Microsoft's investment in AI? Copilot in Business Central is here to be your AI-powered assistant, helping you work smarter, not harder. Microsoft is investing heavily in AI, embedding Copilot across Outlook, Teams, Excel, and now Dynamics 365 Business Central. Think of it as your intelligent assistant, ready to help with everyday tasks, automate processes, and make data-driven decisions easier. Transitioning to a new ERP can be challenging. Copilot simplifies this by acting as an in-app guide when you're new to Business Central. Need to issue a customer refund but forgot how? Just ask Copilot. It will provide step-by-step instructions and reference official documentation instantly. ERP users often analyze sales data by exporting it to Excel. But what if you could do it all within Business Central? With Copilot integrated into analysis views, you can ask AI-driven questions like, show me total sales for 2023 and 2024, grouped by customer. In seconds, Copilot generates dynamic reports, and you can refine results further, filtering by year, segmenting by customer groups, or even switching to pivot mode for deeper insights. Financial processes just got easier too. With AI-driven bank reconciliation, Copilot learns from your data to automate the process, suggesting GL accounts, identifying bank fees, and reducing manual effort. Instead of doing reconciliations, you simply review and approve them. Microsoft continues to invest in AI-driven efficiency. Discover the many ways Copilot can transform the way you work in Business Central today.